I would love to hear about how you got your first set of founders.
Yeah, so before I started the company, I did a lot of market research and validation, right? Which meant reaching out to a lot of different networks, trying to get feedback. I did a lot of surveys, one-on-one interviews, in addition to the secondary research, to hear directly from founders and directly from early stage investors. What is it you would want out of a program? Is this something you would use, right? All those kind of validating questions, which not only helps you develop your MVP, and your go-to-market strategy, but also gets you an inner circle of people who are primed to want to test out what you're doing, right? And so like my first product was a Google Doc that I put together. That was the first thing that founders used and actually created videos from, right? Then I graduated to a bunch of landing pages where I put material instead of a Google Doc, and people use it and made videos. And to date, I have not spent $1 on sales or marketing, and these 140 founders have come to us from word of mouth, from seeing me speak. I do a lot of speaking and workshops. I work with a lot of different accelerators as mentor, or doing those pitch workshops, and building that community is a really good strategy for having incoming before you're ready to go do a big sales and marketing push. And then on the investor side, one thing that I did was we built a really lightweight prototype of what an investor-facing portal would be. And I had about 30 investors test it out for me, right? Some that I knew, some that I didn't know, to look at, the handful of videos that I had from founders that I put up there, and got a ton of feedback from them, really good feedback on this thing that was, quick to make, wasn't super expensive, and was not meant to continue on, but it was meant to tell me, to confirm and validate they liked the experience. Because video pitches are not something that is well known right now. And there are a lot of different versions, right? So a lot of founders are starting to make Loom videos or record themselves on Zoom, but that's still missing that education piece beforehand. So there's a vast difference in quality of those pitch videos. They're not all the same. And I got really positive, great feedback from those 30 investors, right? Who are now still in my inner circle, very supportive, right? And I continue to grow interest on the investor side while we're now building out. I feel confident in what we're building out because we did that, even when I don't have a platform for investors to go sign up for right now.